Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a trade recap. I took one trade today. It was a dub. And I made like $344 across all my accounts. So 325k and then 150k. So if you add it up, it should be $1,376. Pretty good trade, to be honest. I took it pre-market and then I held it during opening because I knew this was gonna moon today. I was leaning bearish until these lows right here, these 4-hour lows, got taken. And as you can see, it did not take. But on ES, we did barely sweep them right here. Touched it, and then we, of course, I'm not going to enter off that, but you saw the reaction, which is tapping into it, and then of course the sweep was what I was looking for. So I was just waiting for ES to come back down, have a V-shaped recovery, and then I took an entry when I saw this on Nasdaq as well. Because if we can go back to 9:15, scale down here, we had the SMT, right? And then we had this 50-minute bullish for rally gap, which I saw we were rejecting of once and then twice. So what I was waiting for was this 3-minute for rally gap right here to get inversed. And then I took my entry right there. I think I got a bad fill actually right there, and then my stop loss was at this low, this SMT low, so that should be protected. And then I was taking a TP here, break even. I think my break even was here, or here, and I was gonna hold full TP here for a nice 3 risk to reward, basically 2.98. But as you can see, it was kind of choppy at first. But if we go back to the 15-minute time frame, this should hold because on ES, this is a now rejection block. 15-minute time frame, even 31 hour, came down, swept these lows, immediately displaced. So on Nasdaq as well, this should be a valid point of entry. But we got close, but I didn't move anything. I held my stop loss here at the bottom. Came back down, beautiful V-shape again, back up, a little bit back down. And then we displaced, took out these lows, came back down, and then boom, displaced. But I did not take full TP up here. I was just trailing it when open at 30. So I got like maybe a 2R. I can show you my executions right here. What? It doesn't show in replay. Oh, there you go. Yeah. So I took my entry here, took one off there and break even, and then full TP. I was trailing hard on the 15-second time frame to get the most out of the trade because I knew we were gonna chop after taking this liquidity. I was like, maybe we get this, but I don't want to be in this trade forever, you know. And then besides that, we have the trailing drawdown on Apex. I tried to take this sniper entry on the 30-second time frame, and then I just went break even once we reacted to this Ferrari gap. So the same idea here, but I just tried to get a insanely good entry. And as you can see, it would have stopped me out, and then I re-entered here on a 3-minute confirmation. Was a bit choppy, but I knew my drawn liquidity was strong and I had a good conviction in my stop loss, this SMT. So pretty good trade. So, and as you can see, we went all the way back up to this external high up here. So, and after that, I didn't take anything. I would maybe, if I didn't take this trade and take this 1 minute right here, would have been nice. But the thing is, we have this high right here, and after we what the fuck? Wait. After we swept that, as you can see right here, I would have gone break even, following my rules. So this would have been a painful break even. This is not a TP. It's the risk is way too low. I mean, way too high considering. And then if you had good conviction, you could of course taken it to all the way up to London High, been open. Yeah, so this would have been good, but you most likely would have gotten stopped out. So let me know, guys, what you take today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.